Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you how to check your CPU temperature in Windows. This can be done from the BIOS or by using a third-party app such as Open Hardware Monitor. The first method is by checking the CPU temperature from your computer BIOS. The method of accessing BIOS setup on Windows computers may vary. However, a common way to enter BIOS setup is to press a specific key or a combination of keys during the startup process before the Windows logo appears. Once you have access to the BIOS, look for CPU core temperature. The second method to check the CPU temperature is by using a third-party software. You can use an open-source software such as Open Hardware Monitor. Go to the Open Hardware Monitor website, then download and install the latest version. Run Open Hardware Monitor, then check your computer's temperature. You can monitor temperature sensors, fan speeds, voltages, load and clock speeds of a computer using this software.